What are we doing? What is this? Right here.
2.
Uh-huh.
We get 2 and 4.
Okay.
2 and 4 makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
Okay.
It makes 6. So draw 6 humps.
Okay.
So that's 2. I get 6 humps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm at 8.
Good job. That's right. You can go ahead and write it down.
2 8s.
Yeah.
This is 6.
Yep.
This is 8. 6 will cross. Can I put a cross over there? Nope.
No. What was the answer?
Dot 8.
Yep. And what's it say?
2 plus 2 plus 4 equals 8.
That's right. You're a very smart boy.